Hi, this is Tommy, and today we're going to be looking at the 2024 Grand Design Solitude 390RK fifth wheel. This is one of my very favorites when it comes to luxury model fifth wheels, and you're going to see why. This is a very well thought out floor plan, and when it comes to the features inside and out, this thing is packed with so much. So I'm going to start outside. We're going to open up some exterior compartment doors, look inside of those, kind of see what all we have going on the exterior, and then we're going to come inside and we're going to look at this floor plan really well. We're going to open up cabinets, closets. You're going to be able to have an in-depth view of this Solitude 390RK. So I do hope that you enjoy this video tour. If you haven't yet, please click like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the video. Okay, thank you for watching the video tour. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna share with you a few things that stood out to me about the exterior and also on the interior of this Solitude 390RK fifth wheel. Now, if there are things that stood out to you that I don't talk about, please leave those down below in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. I'd also be glad to pass along your feedback to Grand Design. So please let me know what's on your mind after watching this video if you just leave those comments. Also, if you want to ask about some of the specifics of this model, you've got all of my contact information down below in the description. Please reach out to me if you've got questions about the availability, about discounts and current pricing. I'd love to help you out, so please reach out to me. All right, so on the outside, I would say first and foremost, the storage stands out to me. How much storage you have in the front of this fifth wheel, but then as you get to the back, all of that opens up in the back. That big slide out Moride tray with all of the storage around that. Very, very impressive. Also like how they put the cord reel system back there in the back corner so you can reel up your power cord. You have, of course, 5 slide outs on this model with every one of them having a slide cover to them. Frameless windows. I could keep going. I mean, there's just a lot outside that catches your attention. I really love the ABS anti-lock braking system that they put on this model. This is brand new for 2024. You should have seen a little tag sticker for that I showed on the video. So a lot of really great features on the outside. On the inside, just the overall layout. I love this wide open living room that we have here that I'm sitting in. Really great for gathering with a crowd of people. And you've also got plenty of extra sleeping areas to where if you want to let out both of these sofas into beds at the same time, you've got areas where you can walk through between those 2 beds. Of course, you got your master bedroom upstairs that is very spacious, a lot of storage. I did try to get some good video of that wardrobe closet in the master bedroom, as well as this huge kitchen. A lot of storage in this kitchen, a lot of counter space, and some really nice new features for 2024, such as the kitchen sink. That is a new kitchen sink for this 2024 model Grand Design. So there's just a lot here. Very comfortable interiors. The colors just is very inviting when it comes to how they have finished this model out with just the finishes and overall interior decor. So very well done. Last year's model really got my attention, but the 2024, even this much more, has got me thinking, wow, this is just a fifth wheel that is going to go over really well with those who are looking specifically for luxury model fifth wheels. This needs to be on the list. So again, thank you for watching. If you have questions, comments, reach out to me. If you haven't yet, please click like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.